with that St. Mary. St. Mary with that. St. Mary with St.
Oh, you gotta be careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
ADDT fam, blessed day to you. It's a beautiful morning where I'm at. I'm at Edakota, yeah. I'm having a little breakfast. May I have some oats porridge. It's a little bit thick, but me will leave. Normally, me not make it so thick. May have some crackers. I may choose not to put nothing for my crackers. I may have 2 boiled egg. Yeah. So, I'm gonna say a grace. God is good. God is great. Let us thank Him for this meal. Amen. Yeah. So, may I start my porridge. I used to drink oats porridge so often, all of a sudden I find so I not have oats porridge again. Kind of like a thickish dough for me. I eat it, but it's good. And spice it up. Because you know normally oats porridge, you don't have to spice, but I just put cinnamon leaf. And I just had chops of yellow almond. And then because I do that, I have to put a pinch of salt to bring them 2 flavors there together. So, I don't know, say, I always like do some little thought sharing, share some little experience that I've had on this journey of life. So may I drink my little porridge, and in this video, this video is gonna be another one. You see the title already, This is just, it's not meant to offend anybody. This is just to share my thoughts, or one of my thoughts that I've had on this journey of life. Experience, you know. And as I see it continue to happen, it makes me wonder. Why people, some people, not everybody, can be easily led. Also, why some people can think say them smarter than everybody else. So, I drink my little porridge. May I eat porridge? This I eat. And they said this oats, did I mention them say are organic, so. Porridge is so thick, so the crackers them are getting up, stay for lunch. So what am I gonna do? I gonna finish eat this porridge. I gonna have my 2 boiled eggs. I not use much of a salt and black pepper for my egg them. You know, most of the time I just eat it, so I just find out, I don't know, I just brought myself to eat it, so. I eat porridge, it ended up a little bit thicker. As this oats is even more stronger than I think. But I'm fine with that. I like my oats porridge like porridge. But even though I get a little thicker, because I didn't make it, I was doing something before I come to it. So you know when you have a fair time, it get thick up. So I notice it's warm, not even hot. So I have finished my porridge. I'm gonna eat my egg. I leave my crackers. I will eat it with maybe like a jam or like I not so love peanut butter to that, you know, or like a butter or something. And Dad loves peanut butter, not too. I'll eat a little, and if I do eat it, I prefer it on bread as opposed to crackers. So I take one grapefruit. So as I was saying, just gonna share. I have experienced it too. I like share my experience, and some of the time some people really not experience but them talk on it. But look here, that is okay. You know, if you experience something, for talk on it, because you can see stuff, and you can read between the lines. But I've actually gone through this. See title already. And this is not meant to offend anybody. It's not anything offensive. I'm just saying, because I know some people watching may be guilty. They might feel offended. Because I notice that people love twistings. You have some people, they are twisters. Worse when the truth start go so. Unfolding. They are really good twisters. Them can't twist me. So the title already. When you are the stray away. And I'm using this term stray away because that word was the stray away. That title was given to me when I was in that situation, stray away. So that's why I'm not using it, because I'm using it because it was given to me when I was in the situation. Now, I always share with you, say, I leave country, leave my mother. I come at town to school, so we're not going to go in that. I think I got in that already. But the long and short is, I did for come at school at town at 14 going 15. To be honest, where I ended up and the title stray was given to me, it wasn't where I was supposed, when my mother, you know, family members, them, you know. I couldn't deal with where originally I was supposed to stay, so me asked on different set, and they gladly agreed because them have them ulterior motive. Straight away. I became the first thing, the lady of the house. I did family, so I happen to be the blood family of the husband. Okay, they had kids, some older than me, one, yeah, never me older than one, so I fall in between right there. So I was trying to understand some things from I was like 14, 15. I did understand some, but some I never understood until I became a grown woman. Really, really grown old woman too. So, come from country, a local country girl can't work, you know. Can't work. They realized that I could work a lot, and that me can cook. And I did say it before, that's where I stayed, and my dream of becoming a teacher faded right before my eyes. Yeah, it faded right at that place, at that house, at that address. I watched my dream of becoming a qualified teacher never come, it never thing. It just faded. When I got there, I start move around, you know, I jump around, nobody tell me to do nothing. So while I was there, you know, say yeah, 14, 15, call you know, no, which 15-year-old is perfect, you know. One day, the lady at the house called me and she said to me, I gotta tell you how you have to operate. Never you try to behave Number one, that this place is your mother and father place. Number two, no, first, the lady at the house say, I need you to understand this. You are the strayway here. You understand? You are the strayway here. You are the strayway, yeah. And she show me. She explained. She said, why? Because remember say, you is not my husband pitney. The husband is was my family member. Because them pass on now. You must try to remember that you are not his child. You must try to remember that I know your parents in place. You must try to remember say you not care nothing come here. You must try to remember say you not pay no bills in here. So you know if nobody tell you if you do nothing. That time I did I work like both beast and pastor. And then she clarified herself by saying, not saying that you're not doing enough. Oh, you are doing enough and you're good. But me just remind you. Pardon me. Try at all times to remember that you are the stray way. Still never understand fully. Me understand. Don't get up when if you see any car. I cook now, you know. Me turn kitchen mama now, you know. Even though you cook, make sure you make the rest of children and come out and take up feed them food. So when me cook now, she would have come out most of the time come dish, or some other one of her daughter them would have come out come dish. Try and make sure you are the last one take up your food. You know me, I work with it. Let me tell you, Pari. Sometimes when I remember those things, me I say, why at this big grown age me feel so emotional over them? These things are on my brain till when I go to bed. Sometimes I dream see all them people who pass on along before. Me feel so all demon here, me I dream see them and I never have them for my mind. Why me and them spirit are caught up? Any you? Sometimes when the food ready, I would cover up mine and say I'm not ready for eat. And I would go around the back and I would cry. I miss my mother. I miss country. I never have no big fridge and no deep freeze and no big them time they are still black and white TV. And no this and no that, no fun. I never had that. I never knew that before. I yes, I come know it. And you know, I said to myself, wow, look at the price you got to pay. And I still wanted to go back home to my mother, where me know me could have feel loved. Where if me come from school and me have a headache, you know, you're a teenager, up in a teenager, you know, you have your monthly cycle, they pain this, that. Me could have come home and say me not feel good and go lay down. No, you not feel good, that's so. When you come home, you got to feel good. Which bed you are going on? The first question you are going to hear, your car bed come here with you, you have bed, then it send bed come here for you. Mind you, you know, it was my decision to ask them to go there because where my mother, them did say them that met my mother, they invited my mother to come. Yeah, it never much better. Never much better. There wasn't, you know, boy, trust me. I wish I could explain in thorough detail, but I know a lot of you can't read between the lines. And I would go around, they had a little apple tree around the back. I would go around there and I would, beside one, look up, a full coop or pigeon coop, something like that. I would cry. I would cry. I would cry. Me say, my born and grow a country. And me never peel banana so in my life a country. When you look on the front of my little dress, anywhere they go, and if them even say them a go out and carry with them, are you end up a carry the whole of the bag them? Are you end up a do everything? Everybody else walk free while you have the bag them pack up a carry. It was quite evident that you are the strayway. Yes, it was quite evident. They had one of them kids do business inside, you know, from farmer ear business there. And they had customers coming. And on a Saturday or Friday or Sunday when the place pack up, customers would sit there and watch me. And sometimes they would have call me one side and get to know me now. And say, they can't walk you in. They don't realize that people come here. And when people look, people see, say, you definitely enough for them pitney. They can't walk you in. Them wicked in. Sometimes they would accuse me, them conscience bother them, that they would accuse me of telling people how they can work me. And honestly, I was so tight-lipped about it, I didn't even tell my mother. Because me never want to left, because me never, you know, me say, me not really want to go back a country, me want to try. You know, because my mama never have it. Because my mother start get up in her age now, and, you know, she not even there go market much of such, and things did just get worse. And you know, you're a teenager now, you wear old clothes here. Everything with them have, with them no want, I eat me weird, me start to weird. Oh God, but that's okay. So it was quite evident that me at the straightway. People say, at 3 or 4 hours now me there sit down and wait for this at me here for do. And from me come and me not see you sit down. I had to be working. When you come from school at nights, in the evenings, as you come, see food there, you know. Because I not cook no food, I just cook my husband's food. See food there. If you want food, go cook food. See, that is because I not cook no food for nobody. But that was the trick for me to cook every single evening. You never come knock your them at home, and when you see them cook and say them left something for you. You see when them you cook, them come and them dish. Sometimes it did get at one point they look so bad. Putting them in one especially. When them come, when she come, she lift up everybody plate. And then before that, how come she have chicken leg in her food? And she have any her papa there, her papa, she have any papa here, this, that. And she would remove it and switch around and put where she want, put tear off where she want, tear off and put it back. I am the stray away. And it reached a point where the lady of the house started seeing it. But she couldn't chat to that the pitney there. You know them kind of have them pitney them and then yeah, them can't talk to them like the pitney there a secret for them or something. Couldn't chat to them. She couldn't chat to that they one day. Because she would have fixed she. And she always say, when me dish out your food, eat before then come. Because, you know, like her conscience about her now, she see how me can't work. She say, eat this quick before then come. Now make them see where you get. Yeah. You are this stray away. Anyway, you forgot where any bag or any load for carry, you are go there. Where come. A country you come from. You're a country girl. You are this stray away. And I see it happening a lot nowadays. People, some of them are them family, most of them are family, some of them are stranger. They offer to take, as I tell you, say, in a my situation, you know, and then none of them offer, and me ask. They jump up and they must show people, say, yes, me take this child, and me take and that and that. And me because him not get or she not get for go to school, he or she not getting to go to school. So me I go do this and me I go do that and me I go do the other, because you know you can't see certain parents not have it and this and that. And I'm looking and say, wow, some people can be feel like say them a trickster. And you see this trait being played out in that individual's life, whether it be a male or female. You see it, and I'm saying, wow. And then, mama, me pause here, so I want to tap here so little. Big ups to all of you who had experienced what I experienced. And most of all, you went through that, and you took it, and you use it as a stepping stone. Also, I want big you up, specially, for when you see that you started having children, you see say Satan want history to come repeat itself. For the same things start to happen to your pitney them. Things get rough and you can't afford to do this, and you do this. Stand your ground. Stand your ground and push through. God will see you through. Don't send your children to these type of people. Don't. There is also it where you see mothers have multiple children, and you see them use in the same household, same mother, same father, they are a family, And them have one in there will end up being the stray way. Why? Me no know. But me see that enough time too. See that. In my situation, after I started pulling myself, I pulled myself out and started on my own, started to have children. I saw where things got sticky that I had to ask to put my son as some family too. It's when me see what happened. When I went there to take care of his clothes and me look at him white t-shirt, I say, because I'm a country girl, you know, so I know I can identify banana stain when I see it. I'm a country girl, I don't know how to see it too. I say, why would banana stains be on his shirt? And when the family member asked me, I said, he can't cook, you see? He can't cook, you see? I say, ooh. You know, myself, I say, I history this and this, I'm a boy pitney. I history this, I repeat itself. Me say no, this won't happen. This will never happen. This is not gonna happen. I'm gonna be smart. No, this not happen. Let me tell you something. Some of us as mothers, sometimes you start having your kids. Yeah, me know all kind of something happen. We fall upon stony ground. All of us in life. Not because I know everybody share. Me love share. Some things I don't really share. They're so personal. And some of them, most of them, I don't know, nice them when me I come up. Some of just let go some of them. Just let them go off of me. Lighten me. But you see when you start have your kids them, and hard life take you, pray. Push. 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 Do not let what happened to you that is calling history repeating itself and it come on and go start to go down in your family with your children to your children. Don't let your fight out of being a strayway. Don't allow your children, your grandchildren, your great-grandchildren, don't allow them to make that start follow them up. Show them, share it with them, and listen to me. You younger folks, listen to your elders. Listen to your elders. Young lad, man, you have so much of them. Give me that little one day. That one day. Them one the biggest one we can walk. One we can't work. Yeah, man, me say pitney you can even send the pitney at school. Me take him, man. Me take him. Yeah. Then give you food for eat. They get to go to school, but under what circumstances? The pressure. Pitney high school need some slacks. They need to have time to study. You can't have people Pitney and take them and any school at all. You take them and you have them. Yeah. Them smart, you know. You go to school every day. Sometimes you go without even lunch money. Because if your parents worse can't find the lunch money for you, sometimes you go without even lunch money. When them put it over to the crowd and put it over like say you're getting the best treatment. But you deep within yourself, you know that the treatment is not good. But true, you not have no other way out. You just grown under it. You start becoming the maid. Whether you be a girl or a boy. You see them they take one take my boy Pitney, make them maid. Let me tell you something. Now cure the fight rough, stick to it with your children. You're not the only person. If some people tell you some struggling with them go through, for bring them children through, you would have melt and you'd think your own hard. Them say, no, me not give my Pitney to nobody. No. They must stay for one banana, the whole lot we are eat it together. I will leave it here. You are astray away. Don't let history continue to repeat itself. Don't let history continue to repeat itself. And anybody who is watching this or whenever you get to watch it, I know you know when you are guilty. A lot of us know when we are guilty. Start doing better. Start doing better. You can't take people Pitney and I say you're going to help them and you make it worse. Mentally. That's not good. And when things mentally, they leave a scar on you, it's never nice. Look for me age. And that from me at 15, me come out of it when me at 22. There is that scar that is left on you. But don't let it keep you down. Push and look forward. Look ahead to when you see you start being a parent. Look ahead and tell yourself, walk me your eye wide. Because if you don't know what you do, we can catch you too. And look here, them the same old czar, the old back there, you know. Them we know so then do it with you and then look and see say you never make no forwarding move till you come and start to have picnic too. Then come back round, come brainwash you and tell yourself you make the picnic come. Yeah. Don't let it happen.